Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win, and we do have two rocks against two of black's rock. So basically it's equal in material, but we can win this in some way. So guys, as always, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, so the first thing you should notice is we have already cut the king, meaning the king cannot cross the d file, right? Because we have one rock there, and that rock has already created a blockage for the king, and we can just give a ladder check, right? So we can give a ladder checks and deliver a checkmate. So that is the idea, and we have a candidate move like rook d3 to d8 and these two checks, right? So these are the candidate. So obviously rook to d8 doesn't work in this position because now black will go upward, and now we can't do anything. Our rook is under attack. We can't move this rook aside, and if we try to give another check, black would go downward this way, and we can't actually win this game, right? So eventually black would get to the rook, and this is not the solution, and obviously doesn't work. But giving a ladder check with these rocks looks nice. So why should we play rook d3 to e3? So this is a check, and the king, as I said, is blocked to move to the d file, so the king must move to the f file, and we continue giving checks to the king, and there is no choice for black except to go to the corner, and black is want to go upward as well, because at the end to just get the rocks, hopefully to get the rocks. But in this position black is going to the edge of the board, to the h file, and now we can give this check. It's almost a checkmate, but this is not the end. Black can block this, and we can take, and now black would simply capture our rook, and if you see this, there is no follow-up, right? Meaning this is not the solution, this is just a draw. So what should we do now? We don't have any good checks. We have to move somewhere with the rook or with the king. We can move with the king as well, but at the end of the day we can't do anything, right? It's just a draw. Rook versus rook, dead draw. So checking with this rook is not the correct move. How about rook to e1? Actually that is the correct move, and now the same thing would happen. The king would move to the left, to the right I mean, and the king would go upward direction diagonally so that it can catch the rocks. But now in this position, after the rook moves to the h file, we are going to give this check. So this is going to be checkmate. But in this position, you might say, in this position back to two moves, does black can block the check this way, and it's going to happen the same thing. This is the same thing. This is again draw, but there is a different thing we can do in this position. Let me take you back to this one. Black blocks the check with the rook. So now what we can do is to give a check by playing rook to g3. And after black captures, black has to capture this, otherwise we can just capture this and the rook is defended. We are going to win this game. So black has to capture this and we can capture with check, meaning black has to move the king somewhere, and now we can just capture the rook with our king. This is what we can do with this variation. But you might ask, what if we play the same thing, and why should we didn't do the same thing, right? When black blocks this, we can do basically the same thing, but there is a specific problem here. Now, yes, black can capture the rook. We can capture the rook with check, and on the next move we are threatening to take black's rook once the king moves. But the problem is the king would move and attack our rook, and now we don't have a trick. But previously the king is just one square further from the rook and wouldn't possibly catch the rook like this, and we are going to win at that specific maneuver. So this is the solution of the puzzle. For a recap, first we are going to play rook d1 to rook d1 to e1 check, and black has to move the king to f7, and we give these checks. And then in this position, if black moves to the h file, we would deliver checkmate with the rook on f3 by playing rook to h3. So black has to block the check. We play rook to g3 check, and when black takes, look at this position, the king is just further from the rook, and the king wouldn't catch the rook, and we have a time actually to capture black's rook and win the game. So this is it for today. As of my YouTube analytics, most of you guys would like to see math puzzle videos, so I am preparing a math channel where I solve different math equations, different entertaining math puzzles. So you can just check that out. If you like me in this channel, you gonna like me there as well, because I am the voice actor and explainer, so I would explain the problems very well and solve the solution. You can just see me there. Thank you for watching. Bye.